Hi, I'm Deb Pearcey. I'm a senior designer with Summit Renovations, and I'm sitting in our beautiful clients James and Tanya's home in Kinross. I think from the very first conversation we had on the phone, we just clicked straight away. I knew immediately what she was hoping to achieve. Unusual circumstances because this was James's home with his late wife, and Tanya, it was his new partner at the time, and they hadn't lived in this home together. So it had to be a home that both treasured the memories that were here, but also helped them create the life that they wanted to live. So the vision for this house was to make it an entertainer's home. And firstly, we had a pretty good kitchen to start. It just was in the wrong place. It was only about 5 years old and it was in good condition, but it also had a formal dining room that didn't work and just a lack of flow through the house. So the first thing that I suggested was that we actually put in a new kitchen and we turn the formal dining room into a spectacular scullery. Everything in here is spectacular. This is what the scullery of dreams is made of, so it's definitely one of my favourite parts of the house. So one of the main things that I loved about redesigning this beautiful home was that we took the master suite from the front of the house, which was quite small, had some built-in cabinetry and a very small ensuite, and we made it a proper master suite at the back of the house. And then we created a walk-in robe space at the back of the bedroom. And then this leads seamlessly through to a pretty spectacular ensuite as well. So this room was actually a combination of the old laundry, the old toilet, part of the bathroom and part of another bedroom. And we opened it right up and gave it an open feel. Tanya loves the bath and so does James, but the one that they had couldn't have fit. Maybe would have fitted Tanya in it, but not James. And they wanted a spa-like feel to the ensuite, which is, I think, exactly what we've given them. It's absolutely beautiful. Even right down to things like we used the shower doors, the glass doors on both the toilet and the shower, but we made them translucent glaze. And then the freestanding bath is obviously the centre of this ensuite, as you can see.